Welcome back, everyone. I'm N.R.T. On today's video, we'll be discussing gas cans, the traditional 5-gallon gas can. Now, this has been restricted by the EPA tons of times. It used to be old-fashioned, where you didn't have to spill more gas, but somehow it's safer. You got these stupid nozzles. You gotta hold it like that. You gotta do that. It's garbage. I don't like it. They don't put the air vent, so you gotta put the air vent yourself. I don't like it. Well, there's an upgrade you can do. You go to Reliable Aftermarket Parts and use code N.R.T. to save yourself 15%. Different threads. They even include different threads. And you can get yourself an old-fashioned